welcome to our video. In this video, we are going to show our final project for augmented reality course at University of South Florida. So it is a multiplayer AR game called Augmented Warriors, where different dragons fight in the final arena, which is displayed in the real world. My friend Akila is going to explain what are the scenes involved in our project.
Hi, now I'm gonna explain all the different scenes which are there for our project. Like you have four different scenes. Initially, I'm gonna explain about the lobby scene where it will have the background and it have the login button like quick match. Initially, the user can log in into this multiplayer game through this lobby, and lobby contains UI 3D, a lobby login, and it shows the connection status like whether the connection is success or not. And the next scene is loading scene. Like in this scene contains the UI background image like loading. And next scene is the player selection scene. In this there will be like different players, four different players. Two players are for the attack and two players are for the defense. We can select the character, like user can select the character and enter into the game. In this player selection scene, there are different spinner models. Like spinner models are nothing but the characters. Like there are four players, like four characters, and four spinner models are for the different character. And the next scene is gameplay. From here the user will enter into the room, like a multiplayer room where usually it searches for the other player to join, and once the other player is joined, the game starts from here. Like the arena, all the background is displayed here. Once the player need to set up the like lobby, like arena, and can start the game. This gameplay contains game manager, spawn manager, plane, arena, XR, origin, and all. From here, Harika will explain the scripts.
Hi, this is Harika. Now let's discuss about the C scripts which are written in order to implement our project AR Warriors. So the few of the important C scripts are like movement controller. Movement controller, here in the script, the joystick prefab is used to control the movement of virtual prefabs in the real world. And next, the spinner C script. Here it contains the spinning logic of every prefab, and the degree of rotation is also stored in this C script. And next, this scene loader. Here it contains the logic of loading scenes, which is implemented between every scene change. And singleton C script. Here the singleton is a predefined script file, like it is basically very effective to load the different scenes. Coming to the lobby manager C script, it contains the UI of different texts and buttons which are set as active or inactive in the script. Next, player selection manager. Here in the script, it stores the chosen player and incorporates the logic behind the choosing a player, as you have seen in the earlier videos. And next, the player setup. In this C script, it controls which joystick should be displayed based on user and opponent. Multiplayer augmented warriors. Here we wrote the code to track the chosen prefab between the scenes. Next, AW Game Manager. It creates random rooms so that different prefabs can join in a created room. Spawn Manager. Like here, the prefabs are initialized to different locations on the arena randomly. The logic behind the uh, initialization is like defined in the script. The battle script, like it contains a battle logic to make changes to make changes in the like health player. The virtual physical interaction is also implemented in the battle script. Next, my synchronization script. Here, the position of the prefabs is sent through networks to match the transform and rotation of the prefabs. Next, AR placement manager. Like a raycast is casted from center of the camera, and first hit is chosen to place the arena from the possible plane detections. Next, AR placement and plane detection manager. So here in the script, different UI aspects of the plane detection is controlled, where the user can place and adjust the battle arena. So next one is like a scale controller C script. Here the size of the battle arena is manipulated by changing the size of XR origin of AR foundation. And the last one is like MITM C script. Here the physical object is detected when AR tracked image manager detects images and changes in the image events. Even the image events are examined to control UI to cheat the activation. So here are these are few of the C scripts which we have implemented. So the next will be continued by Raviteja.
Hello, now I'll go to explain the demonstration of our final app. In our final app, we have two aspects. One is the virtual interaction and virtual physical interaction. Let us look at how we you start using the app. So first you enter your name, and the name is connected to the server, Photon server, and you select your player from the available. And once you select your player, a real world, you select your battle arena. As you can see that a plane is detected and the battle arena is placed on that, and two players are selected. The green selected player is you, and the other one is the opponent. And I'm going to show the same app implementation from a different user. Likewise, he connects the application with his name and connects to the server. There's a quick match button and you select your player. After selecting your player, you place your arena. From the available planes detected by AR Foundation. So we can see that two players are instantiated in two different screens. And there's an interaction between both the players, and their position and rotation are synchronized between the networks. So you can see that this player is attacking the other red player. And on collision, there is an event and there's a spark. So now I'm going to show you how there is an interaction between physical and virtual elements. As you can see, the health of the player has to reduced. So now he can use a special cheat which can increase the health of the player as soon as an image is detected, a wizard is popped out. As you can see, the health of the main player is increased after the virtual and physical object interaction. So now as the health of the player is increased, he can attack the other person and continue the game. So this is the entire description of our project. We would like to thank our professor for giving us a chance and to implement this project. Thank you. Thank you all.